Hello, in this tutorial we will start new assembly drawing and we will learn how to move component, rotate component and mate component. Go to new and select assembly. Here if we want to add component, write just the file name. Here example file name. Just click left click. If you want to insert another component, go insert component here and again just write the file name. Here we have two components. First thing, if we want to move component, go to the move tool from assembly panel. Here we have three options, four options, actually it's 5 options. Free drag along assembly XYZ, along entities by XYZ to XYZ position. I will make it free drag. Just click left click and move the mouse and the component will be moved. I will put it here. Okay. To rotate component, go to rotate, move component tool and select rotate from here. Here we have just 3 options: free drag, about entities by XYZ. If we select free drag, we drag it like this. To cancel this, just click Ctrl and Ctrl Z. If we want make it by XYZ, for example, here X, delta X and delta Y and delta Z. Okay, this X axis, Y axis, Z axis. Okay, we make 90 degree and go to apply. Okay, we can apply again. Just delete, make it 0. For Y axis we can make it 90 degree, again 90 degree, and the same for Z axis, and click on OK. Here we are rotate this component. To mate component, go to mate tool, select component 1 or face we want to mate. I will just delete this face. Go to this face, for example, here select face 1 and face 2. Here it's automatically mate. Here this option standard mate, we can make parallel, for example perpendicular, or here undo. Select again this face and this face and make it parallel, for example, and just click OK, and select this face and this face and make it parallel. Okay, here we have this. We can select here and here. Okay, again mate. Okay, this face and this face or line. Okay, and this here clear it's not matching. If we want to match this face and this face, just click here and here. Now we have this shape. Two components are made, and go to click on OK. This block 1 and block 2. Go to insert component, again insert the same file, example. We can make this face with this face, for example, can make it parallel. Okay, and we can make this face and this face perpendicular or parallel, or just by distance between it, for example 20, 10, 100 to be clear, 1000. Here we have 1000 millimeter from this face, bottom face and bottom face. Okay, again go to the parallel, click on OK. We have this again. To reduce this distance, go here and here, click on OK. Again this face and this face. To reduce this distance, this difference between this face and this face, and click again to mate face 3 and face 3. Just here we have this shape by using mate tool. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial